The day will come. We will name names other than Sean Combs, and there's a lot of names. It's a long list already. And of course, I already know who some of these individuals are, but because of the nature of this case, we're going to make damn sure that we're right before we do that.
This is on your
put that up.
Yeah, this is on 50? Yeah, it says I don't know what's going on, but are we still going to have the Super Bowl? I'm just asking for a friend.
Yeah, I'm asking for Kendrick. You know, I'm just trying to figure out if we're still doing everything the way.
Just different things that's not really beef though. That's just competitive.
Competitiveness.
All right, so you and Diddy, you and Puff cool?
No, I don't really rock that.
Okay, damn. All right, I didn't know what that meant.
Okay. 50 Cent must be shaking his head right now because he has been warning us about Jay-Z for years, and no one paid attention. When a bombshell lawsuit against Jay-Z recently dropped, 50 Cent wasted no time jumping into the conversation, trolling Jay-Z with his usual flair. For those unaware of the ongoing Diddy saga, let's catch you up. Jay-Z has been accused in a lawsuit of assaulting a 13-year-old girl back in 2000. The details of the case are shocking and disturbing. But you know who isn't surprised by this turn of events? 50 Cent. Ever since Diddy's legal troubles began, 50 Cent has been hinting that Jay-Z could get dragged into the mess. And now, here we are. 50 Cent's remarks about Jay-Z aging poorly? Not this time. This bombshell revelation has turned the spotlight on Jay-Z, connecting him to allegations many find hard to process. From the accusations to the aftermath, there's a lot to unpack here. Let's break it all down and see how this tangled web of lawsuits, celebrity drama, and shocking allegations unfold.
All the Diddy drama after being accused of being a 13-year-old girl in 2000. The unidentified Jane Doe has filed a civil lawsuit accusing both Diddy and Jay-Z of taking turns her at a VMA after-party hosted by...
For anyone still catching up on the Diddy story, here's where things get even messier. Jay-Z has now been implicated in the legal saga. A Jane Doe named Jay-Z in her lawsuit, alleging that he took advantage of her at a Diddy-hosted party in 2000. This shocking development has intensified the already serious allegations against Diddy and brought another A-list celebrity under the microscope. Jane Doe's accusations claim that Diddy and Jay-Z were involved in egregious acts at a private party following the MTV Video Music Awards. These allegations have sparked widespread discussions and outrage, with many questioning how these incidents were buried for so long. The lawsuit is both shocking and damning, leaving many wondering what else might come to light as the case...
Because for 4 years, I've been screaming, not just Diddy, but Diddy and Jay-Z are monsters. And the victim-making machine kept going on.
Jay-Z has been notable by his silence since these charges were brought against Diddy. Why do you think that is?
Because that's what he does. He starts little fires everywhere, forces everyone involved to go and carry water while he sneaks away without a response. That change is now shown.
The lawsuit against Diddy, filed by Jane Doe in October, initially listed Celebritia and Celebrity in October. A lawsuit was filed against music mogul Sean Diddy Combs by an individual identified as Jane Doe. Initially, the lawsuit only listed Celebritia and Celebrity B as unnamed defendants, creating an air of mystery around the identities involved. However, it was later revealed that Celebrity was none other than rap icon Jay-Z, leading to shock and disbelief among the public. While many were stunned by the revelation, rapper 50 Cent was far less surprised. Over the years, 50 Cent had hinted at Jay-Z's questionable activities through cryptic social media posts and trolling comments, casting doubts on Jay-Z's public persona. These subtle insinuations suggested that there was much more beneath the surface of Jay-Z's carefully curated image. The lawsuit details a disturbing account of events that took place after the MTV Video Music Awards. Jane Doe, who had been denied entry to the awards venue, encountered a driver who worked for Diddy. The driver allegedly offered to take her to Diddy's afterparty, a gesture that appeared harmless at first. However, the situation soon took a dark turn. According to the lawsuit, once at the afterparty, Jane Doe was given a suspicious drink, which left her disoriented and vulnerable. The lawsuit alleges that she was later assaulted by multiple individuals, including Jay-Z. The gravity of these allegations has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, painting a chilling picture of the events that transpired at the party. These accusations raise serious concerns about accountability in the entertainment world, an industry known for its glamorous and often excessive lifestyle. The involvement of high-profile figures like Diddy and Jay-Z only adds to the gravity of the situation, highlighting the dynamics at play in the world of celebrities. If the allegations are true, they would shed light on a disturbing culture of impunity, where powerful individuals are shielded from consequence for their actions. The lawsuit has ignited public debate about the need for transparency and justice, with many questioning whether the truth will ever fully come to light.
Many of you came here thinking or hoping, or perhaps believing that I may start naming names. That day will come, but it won't be today. The day will come when we will name names other than Sean Combs, and there's a lot of names. It's a long list already. And of course, I already know who some of these individuals are, but because of the nature of this case, we're going to make damn sure that we're right before we do that. But the names that we're going to name, assuming that our investigators confirm and corroborate what we've been told, are names that will shock you. These are individual cases. There are indeed other perpetrators involved. They will be revealed when that particular individual case is ready to be filed. They already know who they are. And I'm talking here about not just the cowardly but complicit bystanders. That is, those people that we know watched this behavior occur and did nothing. I'm talking about the people that participated, encouraged it, egged it on. They know who they are. I call them the facilitators of foul play, willing participants in vile conduct. As we identify them, each will be part of this case as defendants. These defendants will not only include individuals, but would also include corporate entities who ultimately profited off of this culture.
Representing over 120 alleged victims, Busby's aggressive pursuit of justice has led him to file numerous lawsuits against Diddy, and he has made it clear that there are more cases to come. As the cases continue to unfold, the drama surrounding the lawsuits has intensified. In a surprising turn of events, Busby himself has found himself facing legal trouble. An anonymous individual, referred to as John Doe, filed a lawsuit against Busby, accusing him of extortion. The accusation claims that Busby attempted to extort money by threatening to release sensitive information if a settlement was not reached. This new development has added fuel to the already fiery legal situation, further complicating the narrative. In the midst of the chaos, Jay-Z, who has been named in some of these lawsuits, issued a public denial through Roc Nation, his entertainment company. In a statement, Jay-Z vehemently rejected the accusations and claimed that he was being targeted in a baseless shakedown. He described the allegations as fabricated and suggested that Busby's motives were driven by a desire for financial gain. Jay-Z's response was firm, categorically denying any wrongdoing and pushing back against the growing media storm surrounding him. This rebuttal has only added another layer of complexity to the unfolding drama, with both sides standing their ground and escalating their claims. Busby, however, remains undeterred by these denials and counterclaims. He has vowed to expose all celebrities involved in the alleged crimes, continuing his pursuit to hold powerful figures accountable for their actions. His steadfast determination has made him a polarizing figure in the case, with some supporting his efforts to seek justice for the victims, while others question his methods. As the legal battle continues, the public is left to wonder how far-reaching this case will become and whether other high-profile figures will be implicated. The stakes are high, and the legal drama surrounding Diddy, Jay-Z, and Busby is far from over, with each new development raising more questions.
I've been wondering, when is Jay-Z going to talk? What's Jay-Z doing? Is Jay-Z involved in any of the Diddy stuff? He's close friends with Diddy. Now we have a refiled lawsuit from October that stated that Diddy, a girl that was only 13 years old, at an after party in his house after the VMAs. This was in the year 2000. Celebrity A was listed, but now it's been revealed in a refiling that Celebrity A was Jay-Z. And it states in his lawsuit that Jay-Z allegedly raped this girl, and after he finished, he held her down with another female celebrity as Diddy, the girl. She was prior. She got there. She signed like some sort of NDA prior, allegedly, when she arrived there at the party. This is all alleged. Now we have Jay-Z responding. Jay-Z immediately, minutes after response, not his lawyers, Jay-Z, denying everything and basically coming at the actual attorney behind this, who is known as Tony Busby. Tony Busby is behind dozens of lawsuits against Diddy, and he's been accused of being a clout-chasing lawyer by many people in the past. Jay-Z questions everything about
Jay-Z's response to the growing allegations has been both firm and defiant. He wasted no time in accusing Tony Busby, the attorney representing the victims, of attempting to blackmail him. According to Jay-Z, Busby issued a demand letter designed to coerce him into settling the matter outside of court. Jay-Z's response was clear. He would not give in to these pressures. Instead, he vowed to fight back against what he described as fraudulent tactics employed by Busby. In an effort to shift the legal landscape, Jay-Z challenged Busby to take the matter to a criminal court rather than pursuing a civil case. This public challenge added another layer to the increasingly complex legal battle, with both sides showing no signs of backing down. Busby, however, remained undeterred by Jay-Z's accusations and continued to assert his position. On social media, he fired back at Jay-Z, accusing the music mogul of harassment